How to delete App Store's purchase history. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is you will need to head over to your App Store. Make sure that you're logged in into your Apple ID. And after you do that, what you'll need to do is you'll need to head over to your account. So tap on your profile icon on the top right corner. After you tap on it, there you will see an option called Purchase History, Apps and Other Stuff. So you can head over to your purchase history. So you can change this to paid or free. So let's apply on free, and there you will be able to see your different option. So if I just tap on one, I cannot actually remove it from here. So for that, I'll need to head over to this apps section, and on this app section, head over to not on this iPhone and simply swipe left on the app and then tap on hide. What this does is this basically hides my or simply removes my purchase history. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.